What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tyrone Banks, and I'm back again with another video. You guys go please like, comment, and subscribe before you do anything else. Period. You already know what the fuck it is. Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. Period. Okay, y'all. So today I'm bringing y'all this fire ass red wig. I don't like the way I said that. Okay, so I'm bringing y'all this vibrant red synthetic unit from UDREAMY wigs. This is the bag that it comes in, the regular UDREAMY packaging. It has 2 combs in the front, 0 in the back, adjustable straps. It's probably like 2 to 3 inches of parking space. The most parking space you'll get is right in the middle. It comes with like these it's kind of like a wave type of thing, and I just left it because I didn't feel like really doing much to this wig. I just kind of plucked me a few baby hairs. It's kind of lifted right now, but whatever, y'all get the point. Cut some baby hairs, and yeah, did the regular little behind my ear thing that I always do, and this is exactly what the wig looked like. I haven't really done anything to it. I haven't put any heat to it yet, anything. And as y'all can see, I'm running my fingers straight through. It's very minimum shedding, very minimum tangling. I mean, it is going to tangle, and it probably is going to shed because it is a synthetic unit. So y'all need to stop thinking y'all finna buy these synthetic wigs and it's not finna shed. Like, no, for Moto, this is giving me black mermaid, black Ariel. Yes, we got a motherfucking black motherfucking mermaid on the way, and this is what it gives me. This is what I feel like. I feel like part of that world. I need some water before I try to hit that note. This is a very affordable wig. It's under $40. Like I said, I'm running my fingers straight through this. I'm not getting any tangling, any problems. This wig is a head turner. I'm letting y'all know. This is for the hot girl summer. So for the bitches out there who's gonna have a hot girl summer, baby girl, I got you. I got you. Get this wig, y'all. This is cute. Let me take it from behind my ear so y'all can. And I just been using a wide tooth comb to comb it out, so that the kind of little wave in it don't mess up. Yeah. Y'all already know me. I'm gonna manipulate the hell out of this wig, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see 9 times out of 10 you'll see me wear this stuff a couple of times. I'm actually, this is cute. I ain't had red hair, y'all, and I don't know how long. Like, I used to stay with red hair. Red was the very first color. I'm lying. I had like purple streaks when the OMG girls and shit was at. Like, where the boys at? Where the boys at? Boys at? Where the boys at? Where the boys at? If you holla boy, I'ma right back. Where the boys at? Where the boys at? Boys at? When the OMG girls was out, I had purple streaks, but red was like the first solid color I've ever done. And this is probably around, I wanna say 24 to 26 inches, maybe not even that. It might be 24, but it is all the way down my back. Maybe 26, give or take. It's a really long though. It's a really long unit. It's the color is very vibrant. It's just cute as fuck, like, period. Like, look at this. For a reasonable price. Okay. Stop playing with it. I mean, really, I be like giving y'all the cheat codes to this shit. You feel me? Like, it be a whole bunch of people under my pictures like, oh my god, where'd you get your hair from? You make wigs? Oh my god. No, I do not make wigs. I buy my wigs. You see how it came with this color? I bought it just like this. Put it out the pack and threw it on my head. And it's not that shiny neither. It's not. What I might do is, it is a little shiny, but it's not like, oh, I can't deal with it shiny. But if I do feel like, cause I'm recording this at nighttime, so maybe tomorrow when I see it in the sunlight, I might take some dry shampoo and, you know, dab it up in there. But that's only if I'm not feeling it in the sun. Black Ariel. As you guys know, we do have a black Little Mermaid, and this is dedicated to that, okay? Like, little black girls could be mermaids too. Okay. Okay, so that concludes this video. Yeah, go get this wig, y'all. UDREAMY, y'all be doing y'all shit with these wigs. This is my second wig from them. I also got my gray wig from them. For the people who follow me on Instagram, then you might have seen it. But yeah, and that lasted me a really long time. The wig still is really in like good condition once I bring it out my closet. But yeah, make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe. Comment below if you like this wig. Let me know what y'all think. And that's just that on that. See y'all later.